Debate is really fun to compete with other schools and argue.
I'm excited to kick some butt.
I want to shout out my teacher and my friends because they make it more fun.
I wanted to try it out because people told me it would benefit me since I want to be a lawyer when I grow.
I think elementary debate is really unique in the way that you don't typically see kids this age engaging on this level. I always say I leave with a lot of hope after these rounds.
Contention 2. Mars is extremely dangerous for humans. According to Procon 25, Laurie Manderow, founder of Chameleon Center for Animals, explains that humans are not ready to take care for another planet because we have not done a good job to take care of our own.
Doesn't matter if they have no experience or if they're not a good reader, they will adapt, they will start speaking, it'll give them so much confidence. I really encourage them to just try it.
It has helped me with my reading and focusing on how to read really big words.
It makes me more confident to say my answers because I feel like it's right.
And we learn how to control an argument and not take it too far and not make people mad.
I had a team of 44. Probably half of them spoke English and several couldn't read. By the end of the year, we were all reading. We were speaking better.
Usually, I don't know some words, but with debate, most of the words that's in our contentions basically stand for what's in my books.
This shows that human colonization of Mars is not only risky, but could lead to long-term physical and mental health issues.
They're ready to spread debate around the school, tell their friends about it. They are mentors to their peers, and it definitely gives you a head start if you've engaged with elementary debate.
Because if we join debate, we get to go to competitions and compete with other people and learn how to read better and faster.
I would say just join debate because it's really fun to have challenges.
Try it. You might end up liking it.
I would say you should join because you might really like it and it will help with your schoolwork a lot.
It makes me feel proud because I know I've grown. I've grown more than how I used to.